Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. Our first trade room is Monday at 8 a.m. for Empire State Manufacturing, and then we'll be back at 11:30 for a new oilseed report, NOPA Crush. So make sure you make that trade room. It's an interesting new report. 10 p.m. Chinese GDP, retail sales, industrial production will be coming out. No trade room. We like to watch that report. Tuesday at 2 a.m. it's a British report, average earnings and claimant count. That's like their jobs report. We'll be keeping an eye on that. No trade room at 2 a.m. Our first trade room on Tuesday will be at 8 o'clock for Canada's core CPI and U.S. building permits and housing starts. Then we'll be back on Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. for Netflix earnings, which is a family money trade, and the API crude oil report. Netflix is our stream of the week. Wednesday at 2 a.m. will be there's a British core CPI report, no trade room. We start in the trade room on Wednesday at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories. We'll be back at 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction, 1:30 p.m. for the beige book, and then 3:30 p.m. for Tesla earnings, and then 6:30 p.m. for New Zealand quarterly CPI. Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, we have a trade room for unemployment claims with Philly Fed, and then 10 a.m. we're back in the room for natural gas storage. Friday morning, there are two events that have DMMs, no trade room because it's 3:15 in the morning for the French Flash Services report, 3:30 in the morning for the German Flash Services Manufacturing report. Both of those reports have DMMs. The British 4:30 a.m. report does not have a DMM. That's a report we're watching and keeping an eye on. Our final trade room of the week will be Friday at 9:15 a.m. for U.S. Flash Manufacturing Services. So that's how we'll wind up the week. My favorite trades of this week are Netflix earnings, the 20-year bond auction, and Tesla earnings. So I hope you enjoyed this video, our weekly schedule. This is Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10 Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.